Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So, want to learn how to make a strawberry lemonade smoothie? I'll show you how to do it. Delicious and nutritious, full of vitamin C and cooling. Let's do it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice here and a collagen powder. This is collagen protein powder. You can choose to use whichever protein powder and whichever milk that you like. I use plant-based milk, and I love collagen powder because it's great for your hair, nails, and skin. 1 scoop of that. I'm gonna add this whole bag of frozen strawberries. You can use whichever sweetener you like. I'm using honey. You can even use maple syrup, or you can use no sweetener at all. Reason I'm using some sweetness is one, because we have some acidic with the lemon in here. And also, don't forget that when you freeze your fruit, you do lose some of the sweetness from it. So the next thing we're gonna add is some strawberry yogurt. Can't say you're making strawberry lemonade without strawberry yogurt. And we're also then going to add next lemon yogurt. Now I'm gonna add a ball of frozen yogurt. This is optional, but it kind of helps make your smoothie nice and smoothie-like, you know, cold consistency, creamy, as well as like sherbetly kind of look. So I added that there, and we are going to zest our lemon. Now I froze my lemon because it's easier for it to zest when you freeze it. See, like that's quick already. It comes out faster and easier. So that's just a trick for you. So if you ever have like some lime or some orange, you have anything that's zesty, that's a quick way to zest through if you freeze your citrus. See right here? So I'm just gonna add that right here just to kind of give it a freshness. And we're going to blend it. Here's our vitamin content. So we're now gonna blend our smoothie. So let's pour our strawberry lemonade smoothie. Look at that. You see how wonderful and creamy that looks? Pretty. And here are a list of ingredients. So we have our resident taste tester with us, Gio, and he's gonna taste our strawberry lemonade smoothie and let us know how good it tastes.
Well, let's see.
Let's see. Don't you love when he always says that? Let's see. He gives honest comments.
Wow, that's actually really good. Not too much of the lemon flavor, not too much of the strawberry, but just enough to make it taste like a strawberry lemonade.
Ooh.
And it's not overly sweet and it's not too undersweet. So this would definitely be very nice for a hot summer day after you come in and you're sweating, or after a shower or something like that.
What about after they work out? You think it would kind of like help them?
Oh, for sure, with the collagens in it too.
Maybe that's why Gio has such beautiful hair. No, well, Gio's always had beautiful hair, but I think his hair is getting even nicer these days because he's drinking a lot of collagen. But he's always had great hair. So let me taste it. That's good. This really tastes like a strawberry lemonade. It doesn't even taste that it's necessarily like, well, since we didn't use real milk, we used plant-based milk, but this is actually really delicious. You will enjoy it. Definitely give it a try. Let us know. And with the weather temperatures rising up and being hotter than usual, you definitely want to add this to your smoothie collection right here. Strawberry lemonade smoothie. Thank you for hanging out with Gio and I. We ask you to come back and watch us in our next video. Remember, be good to yourself, and God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and love in every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.